Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix WooCommerce login problems. Admin panel errors step by step clearly. First, open your WordPress site in an incognito window and try logging in to confirm the issue is real and not a cache session. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Then retry the WooCommerce My Account login and the /wp-admin login. Now, confirm your WordPress address and site address are correct by checking Settings, General in the admin panel if you can access it. If you cannot access WP-admin, connect via FTP or your hosting file manager to continue safely. Rename the plugins folder inside WP Content to Plugins Off to disable all plugins at once. Try logging in again and opening WP-admin to see if the problem is caused by a plugin conflict. If login works now, rename Plugins Off back to Plugins and activate plugins one by one until the error returns. When you find the problematic plugin, update it, replace it, or keep it disabled and contact the plugin developer. If the issue is WooCommerce related, update WooCommerce to the latest stable version from Plugins, Installed Plugins. Then update your active theme and any WooCommerce add-ons to avoid template and hook mismatches. Check if your site is stuck in maintenance mode by deleting the maintenance file in your WordPress root directory. Verify file permissions by setting folders to 755 and files to 644 in your hosting panel or FTP client. Increase PHP memory limit by editing wp-config, PHP and adding define w_memory_limit 256 M above the that's all line. Switch the site temporarily to a default theme like 2024 to rule out theme conflicts. Regenerate your WordPress salts by replacing the EUTH keys in wp-config, PHP using the official WordPress secret key service. Reset the admin password from the WordPress login screen or via your hosting database tool if the reset email is not arriving. In phpMyAdmin, confirm the WP_users table has the correct email and that your admin user is not corrupted or duplicated. Check your site URL redirects by ensuring Taxs is not forcing the wrong domain, protocol, or trailing slash. Reset the Taxs rules by renaming the file and then saving settings, permalinks to regenerate clean rules. Turn on debugging by adding define w_debug true and define w_debug_log true in wp-config, PHP to capture the exact error. Open the debug log file in WP Content and look for the first fatal error line that mentions a plugin, theme, or function. If you see a memory or time limit error, increase max_execution_time and memory_limit in your hosting PHP settings. If you see a database connection or corrupted tables, run a database repair from your host or enable wp_repair temporarily. Confirm your SSL is valid and force HTTPS correctly, because mixed content or wrong redirect rules can break login cookies. In WooCommerce, go to WooCommerce, Settings Advanced, and confirm the My Account page is assigned correctly. Disable any security or cache plugin features that block WP login, PHP, /WP-admin, or REST API requests. Then test again. Purge all caches including CDN, server cache, and any page cache, because old cached headers can keep the login loop alive. Finally, update WordPress core to the latest version and retest login to ensure full compatibility and patch security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.